So this video is not about bashing those agencies or those people who processed on their own. Hello guys, my name is Kiko from Kiko Speaks and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching my videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll get updates in our future videos. Our topic for today is whether a prospective student should go on a DIY or an agency. So we have a lot of questions coming in from my Facebook page, Kiko Speaks, and from this YouTube channel, whether they should use an agency or they should just do it on their own, which is the DIY. Well, let me first tell you that I was able to come here in Canada through DIY or do it yourself. And I did not use an agency for me to come here. And the only time that maybe you will use an agency is whenever you have enough money but don't have the time, or maybe your status is a little bit complicated than most. So that would be one of the best reasons why you should use an agency, because you will be able to save time and they will be able to walk you through in your application when you come here as a student. So before I came here in Canada, I was in your situation thinking whether I should use an agency or I should just do it on my own, which is the DIY thing. And fortunately, in this 2020, in the internet era, we are able to research on those important information that will help us in our applications. One thing that I've done was I joined several, Facebook groups for Filipino students here in Canada, and they were able to answer all my questions. This is just like walking through step by step in my application. Without the use of agency, I was able to come here in Canada and study. So this means that if I was able to do it and did not use an agency for me to come here, then definitely you can also do it on your own. So maybe the only thing that would matter is your situation, whether how complex your situation is when you apply, or maybe if you have the money but you don't have the time to really research about your application, then definitely you should consider using an agency. So this video is not about bashing those agencies or those people who processed on their own. It's all about your current situation and what best applies in that situation. So if you've learned something in this video, please share and subscribe if you haven't done so, and hit the notification bell so that you'll always get updated with these kinds of information, with these kinds of videos. Once again, this is Kiko from Kiko Speaks. See you next time.